Right, here we go. The Big O's a favorite of Blue Hands. Let's start her off right about here like this. That'll be the top of her head. The Big O's got her hair up in a bun. So we're gonna draw this like this. Just like that. And her ear's gonna come down like that. This is looking very nice so far. Now what we're gonna do is continue our head down like this. And like that. And we're gonna draw her face around like this. Very nice. Here we go now. Give her a bit of a nose. And she's got big old eyes just like this. Lovely looking lady she is. The Big O. Don't forget her eyebrows right about here. Eyes like that. With a little highlight here. And pupils there. Color them in if you like. Very nice. Now what we're gonna do is give her a bit of a smirk. Just like this. There's the Big O smirk, and we'll finish her hair off like this. Very nice, everybody. Now we can draw her neck down like this, and like that. Very good. Now her outfit is something very interesting here, because it's all white. So she's got a nice collar here like this. That goes up like that, and around like this. There we go. And then she's got some funny old shoulder pads, just like this. Looking good, everybody. That and there. Sweet. With some tassels hanging off, just like this. That'll look good. Now we can bring her arms down like this, and she's got her hands on her hips, as if she knows what she's doing, because she does. She's the Big O. So bring her arms back up like this, right back to the top of her shoulders, and now we can draw her body down like this, like that. And we can draw her hands on her hips just like this. 1, 2, and then we'll pretend that she's got some fingers going just on the other side. On this side, she can do her hands like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. Looking nice with a thumb on the other side. This is looking good, everybody. And her belt will be like this, with a big old buckle right about there. Sweet. There we go. Let's not forget her badge here. And there. And our symbol right about here. We'll draw something inside like that. Looking good. Another thing inside like that. And something around like this. Very sweet, everybody. The Big O's looking good. With some buttons down her top like this. We're set to go. Alright then, let's draw the little coat bit here that goes off like this. Looking nice. Couple more buttons there. Very good. And then her legs come down like this and that. Give her little squiggly bits here, and she can have her feet like this. There's some nice shoes with a little bit of sole right on back up like that. Let's bring the other leg down here like this, and we'll bring this foot here like that. There we go, everybody. A bit of a heel. And finish the pants off like this. Very good. And it's the Big O from Odd Squad. Let's get to the color. The Big O has dark skin color. silver shoulder pads, buttons, and belts. Yellow symbols. And black hair. Thanks, everyone.